I just am going to participate in university like in the future. I really love math science as well as French. I love I think math and science is very important in our modern world.
Those who have come here to participate in the second Inter-College Youth Festival hosted by Borderland University. So it is an opportunity, especially for our young students or those who are studying in different colleges. Today, we know this is his first visit to the Northeast, as he was telling us this morning. So practically today we have been able to meet Professor Bari physically. So we are very much pleased to have him here in our university. So on behalf of organizing committee, I take this opportunity once again to extend our hearty thanks to Professor Bari for having given his valuable time to come over here and share his experiences with our young minds present here. I also take this opportunity to extend my hearty thanks to our respected principals of our locality, those who have given the consent to send their children to this interactive session. I'm really thankful to all the students, those who have come here to be part of this program. Once again, thank you to all our respected principals who have given the permission to come there to send their children to this interactive session. I'm also very much thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, our Registrar, for having given the permission to keep this very event amidst the second Inter-College Youth Festival hosted by Borderland University. Especially at this time, I would like
to be ready to perform. Ladies and gentlemen,
where we have science education, especially 11 and 12th standard, and we can imagine, you can imagine, out of this 3-4 large population.
Itself, millions and millions are there. So there could be some more universe may be there, but still it takes a long time to say that yes, ours is not the only universe, but definitely there are multiple universes are available, but it takes maybe more time.
Thank you everyone. See you in the lab.